can at least be friendly.
What you doing?
We'll see. You both want to switch sides of the goalie, but you have to work together. If you switch places, Morris gets his tasty fern. And Alvin, you get your cherry. So what do you say? Want to switch?
I'll give it a try. Yeah, me too.
What you doing, Tori?
Great. Okay, here we go.
What you doing?
Alvin, step to one side.
What you doing?
Tail, watch the tail. Watch your own tail, Mr. Spike.
You ironing?
Ready? Switch sides. You did it! And no one got Spike.
Yeah, his tail didn't hit me. And look, I'm over here now. Oh, thanks for your help, young dudes.
So does this mean you're friends now? Or I mean, friendly?
We could try